Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. Hey, this is gonna be your best time to get rich. You heard that right, there is a button that makes you money instantly, I promise. I will show you these apps that make you money just by clicking on one button. It takes a little time to set it up, but after that you'll be earning money passively and automatically. Also, since this method is absolutely free and can be done from anywhere in the world, even more reason to try this simple method that makes us decent amounts of money. By the way, today's movie will focus on programs that pay you to watch videos. It's hard for us to imagine that we could get paid for watching videos in our leisure time, but to prove that these websites are trustworthy, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money using them. In addition, I'll walk you through the entire process until you're able to make money. That's why I'm here, to help you make money online. In order to make money online, we need to develop an income stream, so let's get started. This is Top 4 Earn and welcome to my channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive new videos, and don't forget to like and leave a comment below if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions. Now let's get started. The first website I'll be introducing today is Feature Points. This platform is available in both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Yes, this is 100% free and is available wherever you are in the world. So this platform has been around for a long time and you can earn money by performing contests, surveys, watching videos, and even cashbacks. But in this video we will simply focus on watching videos. To earn money, because it's what we do every day. I mean, literally, this is what we do every day. Every time we go home we watch videos, when we browse the net we watch videos, and when we're in the bathroom or comfort room we watch videos. In my opinion, this is the easiest way to make money online. To sign up, simply provide your email on this box and click on this button right here. After clicking that, you just need to supply them with the necessary information so that they can process your new account correctly. I must also mention that you may do this on your smartphone or computer, whatever works best for you. Now all you have to do is play these suggested videos by Feature Points in the background and boom, you'll make money instantly. Just use your mobile device or computer, it doesn't matter. As long as you play their videos you'll make tons of cash online. This method is really simple. Once clicking the suggested video, you just leave it be and let it play until it ends. You don't even need to watch these videos, but you will still make money out of it. Let me demonstrate how to withdraw my points to my favorite payment method, PayPal. I'm going to check for the keyword cash on my dashboard right now. You'll be routed to the rewards page. After clicking on cash, all you have to do now is choose your payment method and enter or pick the amount you wish to withdraw depending on how many points you have in your account. This will be subjective. Then to redeem your rewards, click this button and confirm that you wish to redeem those points. It's incredibly simple to withdraw throughout this method. When you go to the offers page, you'll be taken to a page where you can see which companies will pay you money for simply watching there. Clever, you may earn more money than individuals who merely scan through my videos. It's incredible in a sense that you don't have to work, invest, or have a significant following on social media platforms. All you have to do is press play and wait for the video to finish, and you'll have a steady stream of income to support your lifestyle and other necessities. I will now show you Piano, which is the second platform. This is once again a site where you may perform easy tasks and be rewarded. Playing games, doing surveys, and watching videos are just a few examples. You'll need a significant number of points to profit from this platform, which will be converted to cash and processed or withdrawn. Utilizing these payment options, you may also make a lot more money by joining their referral program, which will provide you a second stream of income. To join the referral program, simply click this button and fill out the needed information. All you have to do now is share your referral link on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. This software also offers a way to make money with this feature. You may watch their videos while also inviting others to join so that you can increase your online revenue. To proceed, this is the third platform. It's named mypoints.com. First, let me highlight what's nice about mypoints. Apart from being a money-making application, it also allows you to earn your first amount of money by simply signing up on their site. Can you imagine that? It's incredible that you can get paid to register on their website. To register, click this button, enter your email address and other information, and then click this button to go to the following page. As this platform, like the previous ones, is based on the same concept, all we have to do is watch videos and and make money. It's as easy as that. However, if you stick around until the conclusion of the video, I'll share a secret about which videos to play in order to earn more money, as not every video pays well. AppTrailer is the next platform I'm gonna show you. This is a reworked and updated version of an older program AppTrailer used to merely show trailers while giving out very little money, but now thanks to the power of technology it has chosen to pay out more money simply by watching videos that they recommend, so you don't have to worry about this app because it's been regarded as legit and trustworthy by people all around the world. So give it a shot and try to watch 3 to 5 videos at once to maximize your earnings, which you could do on other platforms as well. If you register here, you learn money just for joining up. This website is legitimate since it's been there for more than a decade, over 2 decades to be exact. Again, the same may be said about this platform. To make money, you'll have to do a variety of tasks. You may also refer this platform to your friends and family to earn even more money, much like other applications and websites. But let's simply concentrate on viewing videos because this strategy will provide you with income right away. What's even better about this platform is that simply signing into the app every day will earn you points that can be converted to cash. So here's another proposal to help you make more money. If you have multiple devices such as an extra phone, laptop, or even a PC, you may watch more videos and earn more money. You can even employ all 5 platforms in this multi-device method to create a consistent income stream. Overall, this is a fantastic new strategy that's simple to implement and is ideal for newcomers to the online money-making niche in general. This is fantastic news. As a result, make sure to use this strategy so you may earn money passively with little to no effort.